Let's going to see about the Java exception handling. So due to design errors or coding errors, our program may fail in unexpected ways during execution. And exception is a condition that is caused by runtime error in the program. The purpose of exception handling mechanism is to provide a means of detect and report an exceptional circumstance. A error may produce an incorrect output or may terminate or may terminate or may terminate. An exception is a condition that is caused by runtime error in a program. So the purpose of exception handling mechanism is to provide a mean either to report the exceptional circumstance. So for example, the girl is watching a video on YouTube on the computer. So while that the internet is disconnected while watching the video. So there is a exception, that is what is the error is occurred is the interrupted watching videos due to internet disconnected by suddenly. So car stopped, car punched, exception handling. So puncher replied an exception handled. So exception handled by exception handling, we will use the two concepts, that is try and catch. So it will be overcome, and after that try will pass to the circumstance. So error may produce the incorrect output or may terminate the execution of a program so abruptly, or even may cause the system to crash. So sometimes it may bring the very large exceptions also. So it has a responsibility to detect and manage the errors properly. So by using this exception handling, we can check the exception or uncheck the exceptions and errors may occur. By we can recover these three types. So what are the types of error? There are three types of error, that is runtime error, logic error and syntax error. Runtime errors, which occurs the programs running the environment detects an operation that is impossible to carry out. Logic errors occurs when a program does not perform the way it was intended. Arise because the rules of a language have not been followed. They are detected by the compiler. So this is a small example. So here we have using the three types of A, B, C, and this here we occurs the syntax error, because here we will divide error by 0. So error and error handling. So some typical cause of errors: memory errors, file system errors, network errors and calculations errors can be used. So in memory errors, memory incorrectly allotted, memory leaks and null pointers. File system errors, dull disk is full, disk has been removed. Network errors, network is done, URL does not exist. Calculation errors is divided by 0. Error and error handling. Exceptions. A better error handling, exceptions are a mechanism that provides the best of both worlds. Exception acts similar to methods. Return flags in that any methods may arise the exception should it encounter an error. Exception acts like global error method. In that, exception mechanism is built into a Java. Exceptions are handled at many levels in a program, locally or globally. How do you handle exceptions? To handle exceptions, you can write try catch block. To pass the exception up the chain, you declare the clause in your method of declaration. If the method contains code that may cause the checked exception, you must handle the exception. So here first we throwable exceptions, coding exceptions, we use the try catch mechanism. Here the exceptions will throwable, or exceptions will throw or a error will throw. So the exceptions will occurs runtime exception and input output exceptions. So the error will occurs as three. So the catch exceptions, wrap code to be checked in the try block, and try block can be nested. So this type of exceptions will passes the try with and caption. So conclusion, the exceptions are a powerful error handling mechanisms. An exception in Java are built into a language, and exceptions can be handled by a programmer, try catch, or handled by a Java environment. Exception handling can only hide the errors, it cannot correct the errors. Thank you.